How to log in Amazon Kindle account. Amazon Kindle login or sign in. If you want to log into your Amazon Kindle account, all you have to do is first of all make sure to download the Amazon Kindle application from your Play Store or your App Store. Once you've done that, simply open the Amazon Kindle app, and this is the kind of interface that you will see over here, right? Now to log in, all you have to do is tap on the more option from the bottom right. Then from the very top, you'll find sign in with Amazon. So just tap on the sign in with Amazon section. As you've done that, all you have to do is simply log into your normal Amazon account here. And once you're logged in with your email and your password, you can tap the sign in option here to sign into your Amazon Kindle account. This way you'll be able to log into Amazon Kindle account. I hope that this video helped you. If you have got any more questions, queries or doubts, feel free to leave them down in the comment section below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial. And as always, see you soon in the next video.